Hello friends, welcome to another episode of our Intentional Camera Movement Challenges series. Today we are diving into problem number 9, inconsistent results. As ICM artists, we've all been there, trying to capture the perfect shot with intentional camera movement, only to end up with unpredictable outcomes. But worry not, this video will explore the challenges and offer practical solutions to achieve consistent results. Let's dive in. One of the key factors contributing to inconsistent results is the speed of your camera movement. Whether it's a slow pan or quick sweep, the variation in speed can dramatically alter the look and feel of your image. You can explore this topic in part 8 of our series. So if you haven't had the opportunity to watch it yet, I encourage you to do so next. You can access the link in the description below. Another critical aspect to consider is the angles of camera movements. Slight changes in the angle of movement can lead to vastly different visual effects. While it may take time and practice to find the elusive sweet spot, the reward of consistently achieving your desired outcomes and enhancing the visual impact of your work are well worth the effort. Let's not forget about camera settings. It's crucial not to focus solely on shutter speed, as aperture and ISO also wield significant influence over the outcome of your shots. The dynamic interplay of these settings is essential for achieving the precise visual result you desire. And you should adjust them to both the prevailing lighting conditions and the specific aesthetic you aim to create. To truly master the art of camera movement, consider these guidelines. Treat each image you capture as a valuable learning opportunity. After each shot, review your work attentively. Analyze how adjustments to shutter speed, aperture, and ISO influence the final outcome. This process of trial and observation is integral to refining your skills and honing your intuition. As you gain experience, you will develop an eye for how specific settings align with your style and the overall visual narrative of your work. Consistency in your choices will contribute to a coherent and polished body of work. My Mastering Intentional Camera Movement video explores this topic further. Look for the link in the description below. As you can see, achieving consistent results with intentional camera movement, it's not walk in the park. But don't be discouraged. I am here to share a few tips to help you conquer this challenge. Tip number 1. Practice, practice, practice. The more you experiment with different movements, angles, and settings, the better you understand how each variable influences the final image. Set aside time to play with intentional camera movement and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a stepping stone to improvement. Tip number 2. Embrace try and error. Take a series of shots with varying speeds and angles. Review each photo and analyze what worked and what didn't. This process of elimination will help you fine-tune your technique and discover your unique style. Tip number 3. Keep a photography journal. Note down the camera settings you use for each shot and briefly describe your camera movement technique. This documentation will serve as a valuable reference, ensuring you can recreate your successful shots consistently. Tip number 4. Be patient with yourself. Achieving consistent results takes time and dedication. It's a journey of growth and learning. And it's okay to encounter challenges along the way. Stay persistent and the results will follow. If you found those tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more photography tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to share your own experiences and questions in the comments below. The next episode will examine problem number 10, lack of emotional connection. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy shooting!